It is an enchanting moment where we celebrate and savor the wonders of drinking Moringa tea. Let me tell you all about the remarkable benefits of this nutrient powerhouse while also indulging in the art of tea making and drinking. Moringa, a beautiful tree in the Oleaceae family, is known for its extraordinary nutritional value. With its unique blend of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, Moringa tea is a beverage that is truly extraordinary. From boosting the immune system to promoting healthy digestion, combats diabetes, bacterial, viral, and fungal infections, supporting joint pain and heart health, this tea has it all. As a remarkable curiosity, I would like to highlight that Moringa is the ancient and biblical tree of life described in the Bible book of Exodus 15:20 to 25. Its seeds are still used around the world to purify water as Moses did in Mount Sinai. The power of the biblical miracle tree is confirmed by modern science. As I am around the beautiful glass teapot, I am taking a moment to appreciate the art of tea making. The process of brewing Moringa tea is a delicate dance of water, heat, and time. The steam rises, forming delicate wisps with the Moringa leaves, simply nurtured in the liquid embrace. What a beautiful, mesmerizing moment. From the crisp green of the leaves to the warm, earthy notes, the tea drinking experience becomes a journey to the senses. And as we sip on our heavenly concoction, let us marvel at the most mesmerizing moment of tea making and tea drinking. It is in this gentle exchange of water and leaves that we connect with the world around us, embracing the beauty of nature and the nourishment of life. So let us raise our teacups to the extraordinary benefits of Moringa tea and the enchanting art of tea making. May we savor each sip feeling renewed and rejuvenated as we continue to explore the boundless world of tea and the life-changing powers it holds. Cheers!